In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Outlook newsletter template using ChatGPT. This process will only take 5 minutes and it's a great way to streamline your email communications. So let's dive right in. First, head over to Microsoft Outlook's website. If you haven't already, make sure you're using a modern browser to have the best experience. When you arrive at the website, you'll notice several options, but you want to focus on the top right of your screen. Here you'll find the Sign In button. Clicking on it will prompt you to enter your email and password. Go ahead and sign in with the credentials associated with your Outlook account. It's always a good idea to ensure your login information is secure and up to date for a smooth sign-in process. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the main Outlook dashboard. Now look towards the top left corner of your screen. You'll see the New Mail button. Click on it. This will open up a new email draft window. But our focus isn't on writing a new email right now. Instead, direct your attention to the right side of your screen where you'll see the app's icon, resembling a small grid or set of squares. Click this icon to access the suite of tools available within Outlook. In the menu that appears, you should find an option labeled My Templates. It might be tempting to explore other features, but for our purpose, stick to Templates. Click on My Templates, and when you do, a side panel will slide into view. On this sidebar, there's an option to Add Template. Click on it, and a new dialog box will appear. This is where you begin to personalize your Outlook experience. Start by giving your template a title. The title should be descriptive and concise so that you can quickly identify it later. For instance, if your newsletter is monthly, you could name it Monthly Update. This step helps keep your templates organized and accessible. Now, in the body of the template, you'll want to paste the newsletter content. This is where ChatGPT comes in. You should have previously created your newsletter content using ChatGPT. Copy that content and paste it right here in the body section of your new template. Be sure to format it correctly, checking that any hyperlinks, images, or special formatting display as intended. Finally, with everything set in place, the last step is to click on the Save button. This action finalizes your template, storing it for easy use in future communications. Now, whenever you need to send out your newsletter, you can simply select this template and fill in any necessary details or updates. And there you have it, a quick and efficient way to create an Outlook newsletter template using ChatGPT. With your template saved, you're all set to enhance your email communications with consistency and style. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped simplify your workflow.